Hello. A home inspection is a critical step in the process of buying or selling a house. It's a thorough evaluation of a property's condition conducted by a professional home inspector. The goal of a home inspection is to provide an unbiased and detailed assessment of the home's overall condition, identify any existing or potential issues, and offer insights into the maintenance and repairs that may be needed. Here's an overview of the key aspects involved in understanding a home inspection. Purpose and importance. A home inspection helps buyers make informed decisions about a property and can uncover hidden problems that may not be evident during a casual viewing. For sellers, it provides an opportunity to address issues before listing the property, potentially improving its market value. Scope of inspection. A home inspection covers various components of the property, including the structural elements, roofing, exterior and interior features, plumbing, electrical systems, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, HVAC, systems, insulation, and more. However, it's important to note that not all inspections are the same. Some may include additional services like radon testing, mold inspections, or termite inspections. Home inspector's role. A certified home inspector is a trained professional who has expertise in assessing the condition of homes. They are usually hired by the buyer or seller to conduct a thorough examination of the property. Inspectors are impartial and don't have any vested interest in the outcome of the sale. Process. During the inspection, the home inspector will walk through the property and examine various systems and components. They will document their findings, noting any defects, issues, or potential concerns. The inspection can take a few hours to complete, depending on the size and complexity of the property. Report. After the inspection, the home inspector provides a detailed report summarizing their findings. This report outlines the condition of the various components and systems, highlights any problems discovered, and often includes photographs to illustrate the issues. The report may also categorize issues as immediate concerns, safety hazards, or items that may need attention in the future. Negotiations. If significant issues are identified during the inspection, buyers can use the inspection report to negotiate repairs or a reduction in the sale price with the seller. Sellers may opt to address certain issues to maintain the deal or offer concessions. Future planning. Even if you're not buying or selling, a home inspection can be valuable for homeowners to understand the current state of their property and plan for maintenance or repairs.